Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Tecno Camon 18p. And to do this you'll need to enter your Google Play Store. Here find the app called Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use. Then press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code in a pool right here. Afterwards, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.